In the previous video, we had discussed about identifying the signs of depression. If you missed it, I would recommend you to watch it to get a clear understanding. Now that we know the signs of depression, the next question which may come in mind is, how do we deal with it? So, let's take a closer look at different techniques through which we can overcome depression as soon as possible. The very first step is to decide. You have to decide and create a thought that yes, you want to come out of this illness. You want to overcome and live your life normally. Once you decide, it becomes easier to reach your goal. The next step is treatment. It usually involves medications, psychotherapy, or a combination of both. The type of treatment that will be effective for a person depends upon the intensity of the illness. Once you approach a psychologist or a psychiatrist, they will create a customized treatment plan which will work best according to your needs. Medications consist of antidepressants which work on balancing the chemicals in your brain which are called as neurotransmitters that affects mood and emotions. These medicines try to balance dopamine and serotonin neurotransmitters which helps to improve your mood. It also helps you to sleep better and increase your appetite and concentration. Usually these antidepressants are given to moderate or severely depressed people. It is very essential to take these medicines on time and with proper guidance from the doctor. Psychotherapy. The most widely used one is cognitive behavioral therapy, that is CBT, which aims to modify the thought patterns in order to change mood and behaviors. It also develops more balanced and constructive ways to respond to the stressors. Gradually, these new responses will help minimize or eliminate the troubling behavior or the disorder. Through this therapy, people learn how to change their thinking in order to be more realistic and thus lead to feeling better. Apart from professional help, here are some things you can do on your own to cope with the symptoms and improve your quality of life. Connecting with friends and family. This can be one of the hardest things to do when feeling depressed, but it is one of the most rewarding activities. Socializing can instantly improve your mood. Practicing mindfulness, because it helps us understand that our attention or awareness is the crucial ingredient in mindfulness. It has to be intentional. You have to consciously bring your mind into the present moment. Whenever your mind starts wandering, all you need to do is bring it back repeatedly in the present moment. For example, if you are washing the dishes, start by bringing awareness to your senses. How does the soap feel against your skin? What does it smell like? Or what shape is the utensil which you are holding? Or maybe what sound is the water making in this moment? And so on. This way we can notice how we use our sense organs to help keep us aware of the present moment. This way we can practice mindfulness even while eating, working, or any activity. So focusing on the present moment is a skill that needs to be practiced. The third one is have a structured routine. A lack of scheduled activities and inconsistent routines can increase feelings of helplessness and a loss of control over the direction of your life. So try adding a plan in your everyday life which can help you regain that sense of control. By keeping a schedule, it will force you to stay active and focused. The fourth one is look for positivity. Yes, try to see or listen to things that are positive, which can include some happy or uplifting music, or you can try watching any comedy movies. It really helps to lighten your mood significantly and your negative feelings begin to fade away. And the last one is exercise. Regular exercise is as effective as medications. At least exercising 3 to 5 times weekly for just 30 to 60 minutes can provide mental health benefits, because exercise is a good way to get out of your head and focus on moment to moment sensations such as your breathing and movements. Finally, feeling better takes little time, but with support from others and with right treatment, you will get a little better day by day. If you found this video informative, please share it with others as it might help someone cope with depression. Also hit the subscribe button to get latest updates. See you in my next video. Have a great day.